Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you're having a great day. Today is June the 1st, Sunday, June the 1st. Okay, we made it all the way through May, and now we're starting a new month in June. So I'm fired up, ready to show you guys what we're going to do this month and how we're going to excel this month. All right. But today we are on day number 53 of this My Lead Gen Secret ClickBank Challenge, guys. And if you guys are new to this video, please go back and watch these previous videos so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing. Okay. So you can follow along. And if you're just, brand new to this channel, okay, what we're doing, we're shooting a 365-day challenge. We're promoting one offer on ClickBank and we're using a service called My Lead Gen Secret System. Okay. Now, we're on day number 53, guys. Let's go ahead and just hop right into it. I'm not going to take too much of your time today. If you guys don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, My Lead Gen Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. These people are looking for ways to earn income online. Okay. So it's our job as affiliate marketers. What we do is we go out and grab offers that are related to making money online. We send them to this traffic, guys. And in the end, the results we get, we earn money. Okay. We get commissions. Okay. So that's the cool thing about this method. All right. So if you guys want to get started, I did leave a link below this video. So if you go below this video right here, and let's see here, you click right here, click more. It's going to be this link right here, this MLGS True Freedom link. Okay, click on that link. It'll take you over here so you guys can get signed up and get started working and get started sending those emails out. All right. So if you guys get started, your back office is going to look exactly like this, guys. You're going to have the tabs across here. The main tab that you're going to be using is the mailing system. This is where you go send out all your emails. Now, if you guys sent out an email, if you know how to send out an email in Gmail or Yahoo or Bing, whatever Outlook, whatever email service that you use, if you know how to send out an email, you know how to do this method, all right, guys? So, because it's super easy to do. Let me show you. So you have the subject line right here, and then also you have a body, like super easy. I've already sent out my email today, guys. Got a little bit ahead of you guys today, but I wanted to show you guys, in detail on how to send out an email. So you go over here to the mailing system, click on select all, and what's going to happen is all your leads are going to load up to the portal. So that way, when you send out one email, it's going to go out to 54,000 people. Okay. Now, the difference between mine and your account, I've been doing this for a few years, guys. So my account, maybe my accounts are a little bit different than yours. All right. I have 8 different accounts that I send out emails to every single day. This is probably my least account that I have, which is my 8th account. And it does have, in my other accounts, I have over 200,000 leads. So I have quite a few leads there. Okay. But this account only has 54,000 and we're climbing. All right. So let's go ahead and go to the subject line here. And we're going to be using an offer on ClickBank called Social Sales Rep. Okay. It's called Live Chat Jobs on ClickBank, but it's ran by Social Sales Rep, guys. We're going to grab the free emails that are from this vendor. And the reason why we're promoting this offer is because this has a rebill of $28 each and every month, okay, to the customer. And as an affiliate, we get to keep 75 to 85% commissions whenever we get a sale from it. So what ends up happening is, guys, we get $20 commissions coming in each and every month. And what we do is we stack those $20 commissions. So we ended up having those $40 days, those $60 days, $80 days, and $100 days, which is pretty cool. Okay. So right now, since we're on day number 53, we're still doing this challenge. Okay, so it's going to be a little bit slow in the beginning, but as we get up to month 3, 4, 5, we're going to be cranking, right, guys? So just stick with me through this series, and I'm going to show you. I'm gonna walk you through it step by step, guys. So let's go ahead and grab the free email swipes from this vendor here. And then what we're going to do, as you can see, we got emails that are already pre-written. Okay. We don't have to do anything but copy and paste these ads over to the system. It's super easy to do. And these emails convert. Okay. They convert very well. All right. So let's go ahead and grab an email here. I think yesterday we may have sent out that one. Let's go ahead and send out this one, right? Okay. So this one says make $30 an hour with live chat work. So Control C. Come back over here and then Control V, right? Boom, super easy. We're going to come down here to the body and then we're going to click on perfect timing. That's very important. And then we're going to grab this and then we're going to grab this body right here and we're going to grab all of it, boom, and then Control C. Under every email is going to be a personalized affiliate link that goes with this email. Okay, so we're going to use that link in this email. Okay, I'm going to show you. So Control V, come over here to where it says signature. We're going to take out where it says signature, and you either want to put in management or your name, whichever one. And where it says hide name, we want to take this out and we want to address the prospect or customer by their first name. Okay. So when they're reading our emails, okay, it's going to say their first name. So let's go ahead and take this out and Control V. That way, when this email goes out, it says like, hi, Jermaine, hi, John. Are you curious to find out online project, the first sentence pretty much. Okay. So what we would do is we would come down here and we're going to grab this button right. We're going to make this a clickable link right here. Click here to start your journey today. Let's just go ahead and grab this whole sentence. Okay. And we're going to make it a clickable link. So go ahead and grab this link right here and we're going to just swipe it. So let's go ahead and copy it. Boom. Control C. Come back over here to the mailing system and then boom, Control V, right? And then we want to take this out right here. And then we want to put in your affiliate ID. Okay, don't put in mine, put in yours, okay? Your affiliate ID, whatever you come up with whenever you create your ClickBank account, okay? So let's click on OK. And what that does, guys, it turns that into a clickable link. And I like to Control A. Let's go ahead and make that a little bit bigger, either 16 or 18, to make this a little bit bigger, okay? So let's go ahead and go here. And this one says, everything looks good, guys. Look at this email. It's big. The bold text is bigger, it's easier to read. We have our name at the end and we have our call to action button right here, which says we're telling our customer to click here on this link to start their journey. All right. Super awesome. Okay. And all we have to do is come down here. One button is going to say send now. The other one is going to say preview. We're going to just preview the ad. We're going to make sure that it's clickable. And then once we click on this link to make sure it goes to our URL, what we're going to do is we're going to come back here. We're going to click on send now. Boom. We just sent out an email with the My Lead Gen Secret system, and it was super easy to do. And it took less than 5 minutes, as you can see, to do it, right, guys? So once you guys get the step of this and get the hang of it, you're going to just be able to do this stuff over and over and over and over again, okay? And that's how you do it, guys. That's how easy it is to send out an email, right? I got 8 different accounts, like I said. I mean, it takes me maybe, 5, 10 minutes to go through all of them and send out an email. All right. So we sent out an email yesterday. Okay. Let's go ahead and check yesterday's results. Let's go ahead and go to the reporting tab. All right. And let's see what we did today. All right. So today is June the 1st. Today we got over 1,300 hops. And then we got 655 unique hops. These are brand new IP addresses that came to our page. We got 5 order form impressions today and 2 unique. Okay. So we had at least 3 people that were just really, really thinking about it. Somebody, whipped out their wallet. They decided to buy for whatever reason, or they didn't buy for whatever reason. Okay. So today we didn't get any initial sales, right? Which is, I'm looking for these sales. I'm gonna be looking for them this week. Okay, I want to have a big week. I'm feeling a big week coming along here, guys. So we didn't get any initial sales today, but we did earn a commission because this commission was from what we sent out. I believe a few days ago is when we sent this commission out. Okay, so let's go ahead and check where that commission came from. So let's just go ahead and go down here and let's see where this sale came from. Okay, just go ahead and click on it. And then we're going to come down here and then let's just go ahead and click on this right here. See where this came from. All right. Yep, let's see here, the 29th. Yep, so that came from the email on the 29th. Okay, this was from a couple of days ago. So this is what I mean. We got a rebill from a free trial that we did a few days ago. So the customer signs up for a free trial. They get billed 3 days later for the program, and then we earn the commission. Okay, so that's what ended up happening, guys. We got a rebill from a few days ago. And that's it, guys. We did earn a commission today, which is pretty good. Okay. But tomorrow I'm going to be looking for a sale to come in. All right. So let's go back here to the reporting tab. The whole goal here, guys, is to get initial sales every single day. This is kind of what we really wanted. We really want to aim for this every single day. So we want to keep sending out emails each and every day. Okay, guys, until we get there. And today, like I said, it's only day number 53 today. And it's going to take a little bit of time to get this going, right? So I'm gonna end this video on that note. Right now, I'm traveling right now, guys. I'm up in Nebraska right now doing some things. So um, I'm gonna end this video on that note. I'm not gonna take too much more of your time. Tomorrow, I'm gonna come back here at the same time, same place, kind of show you the results. I did send out my emails today, so I'm going to show you guys my results and show you how we did tonight for tonight's emails. And I'll meet you guys back here tomorrow. All right, guys, take care. Peace.